mission. We serve the financial company to serve your clients. 2 strategies, finance plus technology, finance plus ecosystem. That's our Ping An 2 strategies. 3 business lines. We have bank, insurance, and investment. 4 products. Sales, AI plus sales, smart sales. We provide the tool for you to align and to acquire new customers online. Second product is financial products. Ping An, we have all the financial license, give you the financial products. The third one is the risk management. When you do digital mobile business online, the risk is something you have to pay more attention to, is the key. The last one is operation. The fourth one, the product we have. We're using AI, big data to help you to do customer representation, inbound, outbound call using machine, using robot. Those are the things we do.